You can easily add money to your Groww Balance using UPI. Now, if you are facing any issues while adding money through UPI, it could be because of many different reasons. Let's understand them. Number one, the bank account you used while adding money differs from the one linked to your UPI account. For example, suppose you select your HDFC bank account, which is linked on Groww. Now, instead of using this HDFC bank account to add money, you are trying to use your ICICI bank account on the UPI app, which is not selected on Groww. This is why you may be unable to add money to your Groww Balance via UPI. So make sure that you are using the same account selected on Groww and your UPI app to add money. Number two, it is possible that you entered an incorrect UPI PIN. Make sure to check the PIN you entered. Number three, your bank may have placed limits on the number of daily UPI transactions. If the limit is reached, you may not be able to add money to your Groww Balance. It is important to note that there is generally a daily UPI transaction limit of rupees 2 lakhs per day across all UPIs. This limit depends on your bank. Number four, your bank account may not have enough balance. Do check your available bank balance before you try to add funds to your Groww Balance. Lastly, it could be possible that your bank is experiencing network failure. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.